Well, you can now donate to the Eden Tornado Relief Fund after an EF-2 tornado tore through their community earlier this month, ripping up homes and property.
Right now, we are joined by Eden Town Supervisor Richard Ventry. Richard, it is so great to have you joining us this afternoon. If you can, maybe paint the picture for us. How extensive was the damage over in Eden?
The damage was unbelievable. I never thought I'd see anything like this in my lifetime, especially in the town of Eden. We're used to snowstorms and such, but never anything like this. It was quite horrific seeing what damage that could happen in such a quick time.
And we had our cameras down there, Richard, looking at some of these homes, talking with some of these families. We were hearing from them in the hours after this was happening to their homes, to their properties. I imagine you've heard from them in the weeks and days since. What is it like as that recovery is still underway for them? Are they feeling any better, or they certainly still need the help?
Obviously a lot of people still need a lot of help. It just is so big that a lot of people just don't know where to start. I mean, you've had barns destroyed, houses destroyed. People are trying to find out where to live. And then there's the tree. You can't even walk in people's yards. And it's quite extensive. So they're a little calmer, but there's still a lot of work to be done.
As you mentioned, certainly a lot of work, and that's where the Tornado Relief Fund comes in. If you can, tell us a little bit about that fund, really where that money is going to go.
Okay. Yeah, so what was happening was a lot of our businesses and people were wanting to do fundraisers, and then once they received money for the fundraisers, they didn't know exactly what to do with it. They were saying they're going to give it to the town. We as a town government can't give it to people. So I talked to our community foundation, our chamber. They created a account that is tax deductible, and we created a committee now that will take applications from people that had whatever damage they had for the tornadoes, and we'll be able to decide who to give that money to after they find out what is insured or not insured and how much money it's going to cost each one.
Richard, I'm glad you said just before that the number of people, regular residents, citizens, and also businesses who have come forward to try to help since this happened on July 10th has just been amazing, and certainly nothing short of a miracle for some of the people who really need this. What do you think that says about, Razor's Doghouse and some of these other businesses and people living in Eden, that the community is really coming together to rally around the folks who need it?
It's amazing. I mean, Eden, I know, and I grew up here my whole life. It's a farming town, and I think our highway department supervisor said it's what we do. When people get in trouble, everyone just kind of kicks in. So it just kind of shows the city of friendly neighbors what it stands for.
And it really is special just to see, neighbors stepping up for their fellow neighbors. It really does say a lot about the Eden community. Yes. And that work continues this weekend. There's a big cleanup day to help residents that were affected. If you can, tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so we created a working party day this Saturday from 9 to 2. We're going to all meet up at Gorska Field. Our school donated the bus. They're going to take people into the different houses that need work. We're asking for you to bring gloves and rakes, and we're going to hit probably about 5 or 6 homes that day and hopefully help them just get some sort of semblance of normalcy by cleaning up their yards, picking up broken glass and doors and everything else. So hopefully we get a good turnout for that. Just if you have any questions, call the town hall, and we'd love to sign you up and have you come out and help.
That's great. Great effort there, Richard. I'm curious if folks are not able to make it this weekend and they do still want to help out by maybe donating some money to the fund. What is the best way for them to find that?
So you can go on the Eden Community Foundation webpage, the Eden Town webpage, the Eden Chamber of Commerce webpage, the Eden Corn Fest. We're also going to have Venmo QR codes at the Eden Corn Festival where people can go up and just click donate $5 to the Tornado Relief Fund, and so we can start collecting money to hopefully help everyone out.
Wonderful. And we, of course, will make sure we have everything linked on our website, WIVB.com. Eden Town Supervisor Richard Ventry, thank you so much for taking the time this afternoon to join us.
Oh, thank you for having me.